So I just finished a little snorkel down here, and I brought back a little representation of what was on the bottom. So there's this big eel, American eel that was killed. Here's my hand for scale, I guess. And a young or smaller eel, and a bunch of little alewives. Some that are a little more fresh than others. Some, like this one here with no eye. Some without heads. There was a 100 plus, or probably a little more in the bottom. They're kind of scattered around. There's some on the shore too. There's also up here something that's kind of gross, but happens here a lot, is your eyeballs. So it's a little eyeball. There's a jaw. Little baby alewife. Here's another more clear eyeball. Their eyes are popped out as they go through the turbines, and maybe they live for a little while, but they're not happy. And again, I just want to note too that the Downstream Fishway, which is right here, is supposed to have water in it, and there's no water in it, or there's very little water. It usually has a bunch of water come out of this pipe, but it's basically dry.